We're actually getting into like decision making and like tapping into that unstructured data, which is going to be really important for all organizations going forward. My name is Brandi Corbello. I'm a VP of Transformation at Cushman Wakefield, and I've really been leading our automation journey as well as other transformation initiatives within Cushman Wakefield. I think what's really important here is for us as we think about our program, it's like really three main points. First was standing up to the team, right? And the infrastructure, the strategic partner, and really making sure we have the right business partnership in place and we were ready to capture value for the business when it came to our automation program. And then second was really scale. So how do we actually get velocity and scale and accelerate that value and ensure we're capturing it? So really as a part of that, we really thought about change management and agile methodology. And then lastly, like now that we're at this tipping point of the workforce, really taking back like 20 to 30% of time, we're really thinking about how do we reskill and upskill our current talent pool into the workforce of the future. When you think about like automation and like you're giving back 5 to 10% of time on the change management curve, people feel good, right? They're like, oh, I have 5 to 10% of my time back. This is great. But as you think about 20 to 30%, if you're not planning for it, they become fearful or uncertain. So we've started planning for that in the essence of like what's next for the business, right? How do we differentiate ourselves? Because we're starting to like tap into this unstructured data we've never had access to. So how do we ensure that we're upskilling and reskilling them to really like understand this unstructured data and what it means for the business and the impacts it could have, not just for Cushman, but also our clients. The biggest thing for us is like continuing to like work upstream in business processes, especially as the technology gets more sophisticated, it gets more mature. We're going beyond rule-based automation, right? And we're actually getting into like decision making and like tapping into that unstructured data, which is going to be really important for all organizations going forward.